Hello and welcome back to Urban to Acres Homesteading. I'm out here with my wife Jennifer today, and
My name is Jen.
my wife Jen, and we are going to look at our bees. Haven't looked at them in 10 days, so it's time to check out what's going on. So the first thing I'm going to do is put in a new sugar water because the other one was empty and I think the wind blew it out. Okay, I hear you, protector. Oh wow, wasn't totally empty, but that is all right. So go ahead and grab that. If you want, take the top off. And then you can take that off.
Oh, goodness gracious.
And the bees are there and alive.
Wow.
And there's quite a bit in it, or is it? Oh wow.
There's some comb up there.
Yeah, they brought the comb through.
Want to take this off?
Yeah, take that off too. All right, so there's our comb. Alive and going crazy. Gonna give them a little smoke. Try and keep them calm. I'm gonna set the smoker down over here on something metal so that I don't catch any wood chips on fire. You want to break some of them loose, dear?
I feel like these are not.
Yeah, they're not overly stuck with these being brand new frames. Okay, nothing on that one but a couple of bees. Here, if you want, you can set this on that. Here, you just pick that up. You slide it right over it, and then you can put the end hooks on it. Yep, it'll sit right there.
Nice.
All right, so let's look at that one first, because they're obviously out to that one.
So this one?
No, pull them all back so that we can get to the far end one. I usually start at the far end. Oh yeah. All right, can you pull it out? It'll probably pick up, see how you got it to move. All right, look at that. We've got some comb built out. What else are you seeing, dear? Bring it back a little bit. Down. Okay, that's good. What are you seeing in there?
Some yellow comb, and then is that honey on the inside? Right there, that glass looking stuff?
This white here is honey that's covered.
Okay.
Or it could be sugar water. I'm not 100% sure on that. I believe it's sugar water.
And then the yellow?
The dark yellow, like right in there, that is pollen.
Okay.
Do you see the queen on that side?
No.
I don't see the queen there. Did you see her on the other side?
I did not, but there's a whole lot of.
All right, let me take a look too, just to get two sets of eyes on it. I do not see her. I am seeing some drones though, that are definitely bigger.
Yeah.
So if you want to set that one there, we'll have plenty of room. All right, let's grab the next one. All right. Now this one should be almost fully covered on both sides. Wow, check that out. All right. Turn your right hand up a little bit. Did you see the queen?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, we're starting to get filled in pretty good with brood. We got a little bit of, oh look, they dug into some of it. Some of it more needs capped. I am not seeing the queen either. I still don't see the queen. Okay, now let's go back, put it in the far back.
Oh man, that's a sticky mess there.
That's a good thing.
Ooh.
All right, come on back a little. Okay, a lot of those are open. Are there eggs in the bottom? Are you seeing anything down there, like little white lines?
Not
That could be
white
larvae?
lines. I see like almost like a liquidy glass looking.
Okay. All right, flip it over for me.
There are different sizes of them.
Yes. All right, I do not see the queen there myself.
I'm
What's
gonna
going
have
on?
you take off the next one
Okay.
because my back hurts.
Oh, all right. So tell me if I line up. Okay. I am not seeing the queen, or I haven't noticed her yet.
Now, you did not see her last time you checked, correct?
No, I did not.
And that's not necessarily a bad thing, as long as you're seeing eggs, correct?
Yes, which... Is there some eggs in there?
What do eggs look like?
They should be like little white, like lines almost.
Not sure.
Okay, I don't see the queen here either. So let's take a look at the next one. Okay, come on. Come on, Miss Queen, where are you hiding? I thought I just seen some babies, but they went right over it. So Maybe it was a glare, I'm not sure.
Is that the white specks you're looking for, like on this one?
I don't think so.
Okay, let's look at the other side.
And I don't see the queen. She could have her head in a hole though. There she is, right there in the corner.
Oh, yep, I see her right there.
Light blue dot.
Right here, just walking. Yep. Our queen is present and accounted for.
That's a good feeling, seeing as how we didn't see her last time. Are you seeing any of the blonde bees, meaning that they're very young?
I was kind of trying to peek out for those as well.
Okay, let's flip back over. Oop.
I mean, a number of them look a little different for sure.
My understanding is that if they're like, what, 7 days old or something like that, that they would have like some kind of blonde hair to them or something.
Fuzzy blonde. Oh, maybe that one up at the top.
I don't see it, but okay.
It's just like around the face, so I don't know if that's...
Okay, well, I feel good that we've seen the queen. So now, and a lot of these have brood in them. There's a bunch of them capped. Is that the next one?
This is the next one. And so just white dots are like the eggs?
They're kind of long.
Okay. And nothing really going on this side.
Hold on, I'm just checking. These last ones probably don't have anything on them.
No, because this one is the last
Only half
and
done?
has nothing.
Okay, so this one was the third one. So let me put that back in there. And then that one, I believe, should go there. Do you see any babies in it on the one side?
I didn't. Separate them a little bit more.
Oh, yeah,
so I can
sure.
get it in. Not crushing my friends here.
Yeah, we don't want to crush them. Okay, so got that one in, pull them back together. Let's pull this one over. Come on, ladies. Let's all play nice. We got one more to go in there with you.
It's
Oh, wait a minute. Nope, it's
the
the
last
end one.
one, yeah.
Because this one has both sides done. All right, that should go down in there now. Do they have any of that side done?
No.
Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 7, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so we're still not ready for another brood box. But I want to believe we're getting there. How much sugar water was left in that?
I mean, it has sugar water. I don't know how much is left.
Okay, well, let's put in what we got. No, grab the sugar water. try and gently move. Put them over on that in that corner, yeah. Okay. So now we put this with it up. We face the front with it. And now you push it forward so that the front is open. Because you want to give them access to that hole.
Yeah, but I want to.
Make sure it's still on there.
Okay.
All right, so good news tonight. We did find the queen. I believe we've seen a couple of babies.
Yeah.
Not as many as I would have liked to have seen, but we did see a few. We'll check them again at the end of next week, and hopefully they're more apparent. But the queen is there, so that is awesome.
And they're doing their thing.
Yeah, and it does look like they've grown. There's definitely more of them, so I'm thrilled for that. All right, until next time, we will talk to you later and have a great night. Bye.